called me up. He's like, dude, I'm stranded on the freeway. He's in this 2023 or 2024 Silverado high country right here. Oh my gosh, the rear driveline is absolutely shattered in half. That is insane. Oh. Gonna back up to him, check it out. That's not supposed to look that way. I can see the freaking gears, the spider gears.
It's not your driveline. Oh, so I guess it is your driveline? Yeah.
From back here, it looks great.
Yeah, the spider gear's hanging up right here.
I see that. Nuts.
When I first saw this picture, I thought it was a spider gear. However, that is the pinion completely shoved back and hanging out the bottom of the differential. I don't think I've ever seen anything like this in person. Quick recap, this is a 2023 Chevy Silverado 1500 High Country. No, it does not have the 6.2 V8 in it, has the 5.3 V8, but the vehicle only has 23,500 miles on it. My brother was heading down the freeway when all of a sudden the rear end completely locked up, completely grenaded the rear differential, and tore up the driveline. Now it's puking out transmission fluid on the ground, and we're sitting here wondering what happened. I have one question. Is this a common theme with the Chevy Silverado, or is this just something out of the blue? Has anybody else experienced this? Let me know in the comments below.